How to fix fail to connect to Rockstar Games library service GTA 5. So how to fix this? Let's get started. First what you need to do is get over to your desktop and then press Windows plus R in your keyboard and then type percentage add data percentage. Click OK and then click on this add data button. Then double click on local folder. Scroll down a bit and here you'll find this Rockstar Games folder. Just right click on it and then delete it. Once you delete it, just restart your PC and hopefully your problem solved. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.